Welcome back for another Meatless Monday. We're going to make some chickpea salad sandwiches. These are super quick, easy to make, great for a quick lunch, and vegan all the way through. First thing you're going to do is blend up about half of the chickpeas from one can in a food processor with the vegan mayo, with the water and the lemon juice. This creates kind of the creamy substitute for a regular mayonnaise-based chicken salad. And so it all sticks together in the sandwich, it doesn't fall apart on you. Next, you're going to add the rest of the chickpeas and just chop them up. You only use a couple pulses just so they're broken up a little bit and so that they get nicely incorporated with the sauce. This part you can have some fun with and put it whatever you want. I like a little celery, some hot pepper, dill pickle, and some shallots, but you can use parsley, scallions, dill, any kind of pickle you want. Make it your own, whatever you normally like in like a chicken salad or tuna salad or whatever, anything like that. Then you're going to combine all the ingredients into a bowl with the blended up chickpeas and sauce. Add salt and pepper to taste. And it's that easy. Then you assemble a sandwich, lettuce, tomato, whatever else you feel like putting on there. Add the chickpea salad. Super delicious, super quick to make. This video is almost in real time pretty much. Just shows how easy it is to put together. Enjoy.